Hello everybody, just a quick update because I've been off for about a week anyway. We've done the living room now, haven't we, Bab?
Yeah.
God, it's been a nightmare, hasn't it? It's been an absolute nightmare.
It's been hard work.
We've just had to get it done, haven't we? I couldn't really concentrate on anything else really. We had, because you know we had a rising damp and mould. It took about 3 coats to get rid of the water lines, you know, the water lines after the rising damp. So everything's about 5 coats, isn't it? It's been an absolute nightmare.
Yeah.
So I'm just letting you know, I'm back tomorrow, back on the vids. We've just had a shepherd's pie here. Let me show you. It's the first proper meal in about a week, ain't it, Bab, really? We've just been eating junk, haven't we?
I need this so bad.
We need it. Oh,
I feel really like...
it's just been... Oh. We haven't been able to get into the kitchen, have we, or anything?
No.
We had like, all the stuff in here and that.
Just getting there now. Just finished today. Just not long ago.
Well, we finished the living room. We're putting everything back now, isn't it? Today.
Yeah, that's what I meant, putting everything back.
So it's just a quick update, guys, just to let you know that I'm back tomorrow. I bought loads of stuff to do for videos, but I just haven't been able to get up the kitchen to do them, really. We got the gas inspection tomorrow now as well, ain't we?
Yeah.
So it's coming out any time in the day. So I was going to go live tomorrow.
In the morning, apparently.
No, it says 9 and 2.
Oh, 9 and 2.
Between 9 and 2.
Oh, right.
So it's all day, any time.
Oh, God, yeah.
If it comes early, I'll go live. If not, I'll do a video in the afternoon. I'll see what happens. I might just go live in the living room on my phone. I don't know yet. We'll sort that out, guys. But it's just to let you know I'm back. We've just had to get everything done.
I could sleep for a week.
I know. We're aching at me as well.
My aching's so bad. My legs are going to drop off.
It's nice, man, this, isn't it?
It's really nice.
I've just done a shepherd's pie with some honey glazed carrots, and I've had peas. And the lads have had peas, and that's just had the carrots.
So good.
That's nice, isn't it?
It's so good. Miss my food. Missed it so bad.
I know. Oh. So guys, yeah, we'll see you from again. Thanks for being patient with me. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.